Okay, we have just taken our TLC plates out and we want to really quickly check on them. And before the solvent evaporates, we want to mark where the top of the solvent front was. This line where the very top of the solvent was right here. We need a pencil mark on that solvent front so that we can measure how far our compounds traveled versus the actual solvent front. Now, when we're looking for how far did our compounds travel, um, we want to estimate the center point of our spot. So if you can see this yellow spot, its center point's approximately right there. Or this green spot about right here. And so I'm kind of marking the approximate center of those. Here we've got a central point. We look at this red spot or pink spot as one big spot and pick the approximate center. And same with this approximate center of these dyes. Okay, up next is a pretty fun part. We're going to take a look at our TLC plates under black light. So I've got this black light set up in a closet at school, so it's nice and dark. Okay, we're in here looking at our compounds, our TLC plates under black light, and we want to get up close to make sure that you can see. I'm going to take the first three compounds on the first plate and hold them just behind the black light. So this is compounds 1, 2, and 3. 1 doesn't show any UV activity. 2 doesn't, but 3 sure does. 3 definitely shows strong UV absorption. So that compound is definitely absorbing in the ultraviolet range. And then let's look at compounds 4, 5, and the mixture. And so I've got 4, 5, and the mixture here. 4 is definitely showing strong UV activity. 5 is not. 5 is at the top of the plate. It's not. And nothing in the mixture is absorbing in the ultraviolet range. So we've got compound 4 showing UV activity and also compound 3. And in our particular mixture, we're not seeing any UV activity for our mix. So yes for compound 3 and yes to UV activity, UV absorption for compound 4.